love that. I just love that.
You know you'll never get a view like this if you move.
Hmm?
Woo! That was a good one. Yeah. I'm getting all warmed up.
Wow, this is more fireworks than I've ever seen before out here.
That's pretty.
I mean, you can see them all the way out to the airport.
Yeah.
Like this is I've never seen this many before, ever.
I don't think the police even try to stop
Oh,
it.
no.
Oh, nobody cares.
First of all, there probably has to be a complaint.
They're too busy looking for drunk drivers, and rightfully so.
That's right.
Anchorage doesn't put on a display?
At 8.
Oh, at 8 o'clock? What have I got here?
Some nice fireworks.
Yeah.
Down the hill farther. Bridge view.
Yeah.
The Space Needle gets all wired. And it goes for about, I guess, a half hour straight. But the one on 4th of July, where they have them out in the water on a barge, man, that thing goes forever.
That is
Oh,
the
that's
cul-de-sac.
pretty. Right down over this way.
Troy and Amy.
Oh, okay.
Oh, those are the ones that I like.
You can hear all the people.
And the dog.
Poor Allie.
People are so funny about fireworks.
You want to stand on the deck?
Brr.
Too cold.
I want to hear it.
It is
Open the door
cold.
a little bit.
I believe the cheers are coming from the drunk teenagers
there,
next
yeah.
door. Yep, drunk teenagers next door. Told ya. I told you they were shit-faced. One for my homies.